A warm welcome from me, Dawn, from my weekly YouTube channel, Everything Dance, your mentor, covering everything about dance in every genre. I have content for all levels of ability, from beginners to professionals, with dance tutorials, tips, Q&As, history of dance, advice on dancing, dance shoes, where to go for lessons, plus much more. You can become a patron of my channel, helping others discover the joy of dance whilst helping me accomplish my project goals. My first goal is to finish an almost there rebuild on our land from an old donkey stable. My main goal is to finish guest accommodation of an adjoining, restored, derelict building to the studio. The following phases are required to complete the build. We still require to do the following utilities to complete the build, such as a water tank, a concrete reinforced base, construction and installation of tower for a water tank, purchase and plumbing of the cold water tank and hot water tank and water heating panels so we can be eco-friendly working on solar. Phase 2 will be drainage for the wet room, including purchase and for installation of toilet and hand basin and shower, always with eco-friendly wastewater treatment tanks. We need to also complete the tiling of the wet room with other furnishings. Phase 3 would be supply of light and power outlets. Phase 4 would be to make good the walls, including paint and finish and external painting. Phase 5 is to make the doors and finish windows. The build would then be used for guests to come and stay for affordable dance tuition holidays, either as private one-to-one lessons or as a group booking for clubs looking for a dance activity holiday, or, if already a dance group, furthering their dance levels and experience. If further pledges are made, I would add further amenities such as community areas, including a cookout where groups can socialise, share their dance experiences, cook and eat together, bringing like-minded people together. Thank you for your time watching this video, and hope you feel inspired to pledge and be part of others' dance journey to aid their health, well-being and enjoyment of life. To show my gratitude for your pledges, my tiered rewards gifts will include patrons' complimentary 2-night stay, including dance tuition. I hope to see you soon, but until then, if you want to see more of my weekly YouTube channel, then click on this link below.